We're at the International Bomber Command Centre in Lincoln today. So this is the way in, and that's the way out. Lovely place. We'll give you a little bit more information as we wander around. There is a museum upstairs, but to be fair, we're not going to go up there and video it all. So I think if you want to come and have a look, then go and have a look for yourself. But
it's free admission for the bottom bit.
Yeah, it's free admission for the bottom bit. Nice cafe here, so if you want something to eat, it's, which is where we're going in a few minutes. So that's a nice picture of the what is it? Yeah, whatever it is. Statue. Statue? Yeah. Yeah, statue. This is the way in. Right. We're going to go in and pay and do whatever we've got to do and pay for the car park. And well, when we get the other side, we'll put you back on again. Rightio, we're outside the other side. Now all the trees here, as you see, they're all set out as the air bases in Lincolnshire. So like this one here, as you see, is RAF Strubby, 619 Squadron and 227 Squadron. 85 losses. So
yeah.
They're all
in proportion to where they are.
All in proportion, yeah, to Lincolnshire, where they are. Lots of these dedications, yeah.
Dedication books.
To people.
You can buy those if you want to pay for somebody to be.
Oh, right, okay.
Put on there.
Okay, didn't know that.
Yes.
The that thing there is, we've been told, is the same length as a Lancaster's wing, tip to tip. Quite big. There we go. Fine.
Can you see with the sun on?
Most probably not. I'm trying to keep out of the.
I didn't have lots of shadow in it. Anyway.
It's rubbish, that is. Yeah. You couldn't get out of the sun.
Anyway. It's just what we said.
Yeah.
So this is only open Tuesday to Sunday.
Yeah, so don't come on a Monday.
Yeah.
It's really quite impressive. As you can see, people have been putting poppies in on people's names. Yeah, so there's all the W's, lots of W's. It's a bit sort of brings it home how many poor people lost their lives, you know, in the Bomber Command. And this was new. I think this year they put this up, and it's quite interesting. Just try and keep out of the sun. So you've got Barnes Wallis, Guy Gibson, all here. So you've got Guy Gibson and Barnes Wallis next to each other.
Yeah, just silhouettes of all the people who took part in the dam buster raids.
And of course, if you're in Lincolnshire, up there, you see it in the background, is Lincoln Cathedral. And this is the wing. massive bit of kit. Thing gonna blow over in the wind. Even Storm Babette didn't knock this one down. So there you go. Lots of stuff going on because at the moment it's the 5th of November. Susie doing what Susie does best, is reads every bit of information there is off every board. And here we are, a bit about the Lancaster. I'm guessing people have seen the film, The Dam Busters.
That's just one of the planes that didn't come back.
Yeah, ED-877. Yeah. It's, you know, when you think Guy Gibson was only 26 when he died, and he was only a very young man. Dingy Young, which is one of the sort of names that kept coming up in the film. I think the reason he was called Dingy Young, he spent most of his time crashed in the sea and came back in a dinghy.
Well, these were lucky ones. They came back, but some of them died later.
Yeah. I mean, Gibson died later, didn't he?
Yeah, 1944.
Yeah. Yeah, and
He's got hit by flak.
Yeah, we're actually going next year on a Euro tour, and we're hoping to go to Steenbergen in Holland and see if we can see his grave. We might find it, we might not. No, me and Sue, most probably not. So all the names of all the people. There's the command centre.
Yeah, we can see it properly.
Yeah, pretty
It's
impressive
very
place.
peaceful.
Very peaceful place.
But they're all in alphabetical order, which helps if you're trying to find somebody.
Yeah. We're going to see if we can find Gibson.
Yes, we did find him before.
We did, yeah. I can't remember where he is.
Along here somewhere, I think, 'cause this is these. So it's either this one or the next line. These are the
Forbes,
Gs.
yeah, he'd be here somewhere.
G, right.
Gibson.
Which one is he?
G.
There's loads of Gs.
Is there G's?
These are all Gibsons.
Oh, right.
It's just the sun's there.
Yeah, we're right in the sun. So anyway, he's here somewhere.
Yeah.
Guy Gibson. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry I'm in the light, but can't help it at this time of day.
It's nice to have the sunshine.
I don't even know what.
Well, there's lots of Gibsons,
GBs.
but
We're not sure.
know.
Anyway, he's there somewhere.
Yeah.
039. And where's the T's, Susie? Oh, the T's.
They'd be further out because
Oh,
I think it starts with A's.
Ah, right, okay.
And it goes round and round.
So that's L.
Could be wrong.
S. Well, that's S.
It starts.
S, there's S on that side. Oh, it's T's. Thomas's. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, there's a few Townsends.
A few Townsends. Quite a few Townsends, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. None of my family. But anyway, there you go. So this is the memorial. That's the memorial centre. Say all the trees are yeah, 400 square miles of farmland were requisitioned to build hundreds of new stations during the war. Right, this was built, I think it was finished in about 2016, something like that. We're hoping soon to go out to East Kirkby to have a look at Just Jane, which is the Lancaster over there, and we'll have a little look at her. They've been restoring that for a long time.
The official ceremony was held on the 12th of April 2018.
All right. There we are.
So that's it. That's 22 staff, 648 volunteers. It is a charity.
Yeah.
Obviously.
So worth coming to see. You know, it's very nice. I mean, they've got over here. Look.
They do have events on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They do. Loads of bits and bobs.
On the website, they do have events listed throughout the year.
So well worth coming to see. So the International Bomber Command. I think this is one of the old.
Yeah, it's to show you what it's like for a bomb shelter.
Yeah. I think I'd rather be outside than in there.
Depends how cold and wet it was.
Well, true. True.
You could always sit there and have a cup of tea out of a flask.
Well, there is that. But
I was probably all misted up.
It's all misted up. But yeah, that was a bit of
Yes.
a bomb shelter.
You can actually see.
I don't think you see a lot in there.
I don't think you see on the camera.
I don't even know whether.
Yeah, Anderson shelter.
I'm sorry if it's a bit quick, but
You can always pause.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, Google.
Oh, Google, yeah. Googly woogly. So, strawberries. They are strawberry plants. Yeah, well, they are strawberry plants.
Yes.
Yeah, strawberries. Yeah, I know it's pretty random, but.
But this goes down onto South Park if you wanted to go for a longer walk.
Yeah, and there is a lovely walk if you go out the side. You can actually walk. There's a walk that goes all the way across the top of the common, and you can walk down the other side, down into town, or you can go down the Cannock Hill, all the way into Lincoln, because your car park's £3 all day, so it's quite cheap. You can park your car here and have a wander and have a bit of a cup of tea or a coffee, and the food is very nice, and then pop into town.
I'm not going to do the common today, it's too rough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Victory.
Big for victory.
Oh, that's why the strawberries.
Ah.
Yeah, big for victory. Grow your own vegetables.
Yeah. So there you go. Lots of info. Nice place to come.
They do free tours.
Yeah, free guided tours.
At certain times of the day. So you can just line up with everybody else and you'll get told what happens and a lot more detail than what we know.
Yeah, because we don't really know anything. It's fair, isn't it?
Yeah, we know where the tea is.
We know where the coffee is and we know where the tea is, and they'll do lovely sausage rolls. So there you go.
And the scones aren't.
The scones are pretty good too, yeah. Well, to be fair, the whole dinner's
Yeah,
the
you
food.
can book for Sunday lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah. So I'll just show you a bit of that. I'm going to keep getting in the thing here. You're right in the.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. There you go.
Get out of it.
It's very difficult.
Yes, it's
There you
a
go.
very bright day.
Very bright day. Not that we should be complaining. So there you go. That's the International Bomber Command.
Quick view.
Quick view.
Come and have a look.
Come and have a look.
There is a gift shop that sells an awful
That's a
lot
lot of
things.
stuff. Yeah, very nice. So what we'll say is, we're off now. We're off for a cup of tea. So like and subscribe. That's the thing to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we will see you again very soon. Say bye, Sue.
Bye, Sue.